Voyager 1, launched by NASA on September 5, 1977, has gone studying the unknown for more than a quarter of a century. Originally part of NASA's Voyager program, its prime mission was to study the outer planets, especially Jupiter and Saturn, along with their magnetic fields, moons, and atmospheres. Voyager 1, together with its twin Voyager 2, was initially designed for a mission that was supposed to last for only a few years. However, soon the mission outlived expectations. Today, Voyager 1 is over 14 billion miles away from Earth, in a region of space that no man-made object has reached. In 2012, it traveled through what scientists call the heliopause, the boundary beyond which the Sun's influence wanes and interstellar space begins. It was a historical moment. Voyager 1 became the first man-made object to officially enter the space between stars. But it wasn't over yet. As Voyager 1 entered completely unexplored space, it started to send back data opposite of what scientists expected. Recently, it registered some sort of energy field one that doesn't fit any models. It's not the normal electromagnetic or gravitational force scientists had anticipated being present out there in interstellar space. No, this is something entirely different, and it has scientists right now scratching their heads trying to figure out exactly what it is. This mystery force interacts with matter in ways that current theories of physics can't predict. If this discovery holds up, it could revolutionize our understanding of the universe and its fundamental forces. But why is this all so important, and why is the timing perfect? Well, space exploration is about to get really exciting. Agencies like NASA, as well as private enterprise, are making plans to take humans deeper into space. First to Mars, then on to more far-reaching destinations. Understanding interstellar space, what lies between the stars, has become more critical than ever. Voyager 1 is giving us our very first glance at what's beyond the edge of our solar system, and this new discovery could be key to safely navigating the unknown. Imagine that. Future space travelers may well have to grapple with forces we do not know exist today. Which is why the timing of the Voyager 1 discovery is so crucial, as it happens to come at a time when humanity is preparing for some of the most ambitious missions in human history. What, then, could explain this bizarre phenomenon? Indeed, some believe that it may be associated with dark energy, the enigmatic force that scientists believe is responsible for the accelerating expansion of the universe. Dark energy has been a problem for scientists for decades because, for the simple reason, we do not know what it is. Did Voyager 1 just get lucky to find some evidence in deep interstellar space? If that were the case, it would constitute the first direct observation of dark energy, a find that could completely revolutionize the way we think about the universe. On the other hand, it could be something entirely new, an unfamiliar force or energy one we have not considered. The repercussions of such a hypothesis being proved true would be great and would revise all our models that help us explain how matter and energy interact with each other. Think quantum mechanics upset everything we thought we knew about physics in the 20th century. This type of finding could come about. It would also restructure our thoughts about space, hence probably coming up with new technologies that could mean new ways of acquiring energy or traveling in space. The possibilities cannot be imagined at this time. But what if it actually is not a new force at all? Could Voyager 1 be picking up the influence of another something else out there, some star, black hole, or even a completely new type of celestial object? It could well be that such objects exert gravitational pull and/or emit radiation, by which surrounding space would be affected in ways yet to come into our understanding. Whatever this mystery force or energy is, for sure is the fact that Voyager 1 has fired up a newfound enthusiasm in the dream of space travel. After almost 50 years, this little spaceship is still surprising us. Who would have thought that a probe designed in the 1970s could make such groundbreaking discoveries today? Even with the scientific community being cautious, they cannot remove the fact that this is a moment. Now, researchers all over Earth burrow into Voyager 1's data, develop new theories and plan follow-up missions for a closer look at interstellar space. Confirmation of this discovery might usher in a completely new era of space travel. We are not talking here about mere spacecraft to planets. It may hold secrets for understanding those very forces that shape the universe in the first place. Just think about unlocking new propulsion systems or energy sources, which allows such a trip to another star system. Where today, with the current technology that we have, it takes thousands of years to reach the nearest star. When we can understand this mysterious force, who knows? It may lead us very close to a breakthrough in decreasing interstellar travel time. What Voyager 1 has done is to teach us just how much grandeur and complexity there are in the universe. A signal from Voyager takes nearly 21 hours to reach Earth at the speed of light. This time frame evidences the enormous challenges facing us as we contemplate sending humans or probes beyond our solar system. The reason this is so important is that Voyager 1 has just now found this mysterious force, and it really shows that there is so much about space that is not really understood. This knowledge will be important for ensuring the safety and success of future astronauts embarking on deep space missions. This could also mean exciting possibilities in the search for life elsewhere from Earth. Perhaps the mysterious forces could play a role in creating life on those other planets. Just like life on Earth, depending on sunlight and magnetic fields, it is also conceivable that other forms of life may depend upon entirely different kinds of forces. Looking to the future, space agencies like NASA are already considering the next wave of interstellar missions. These probes will be far more capable than Voyager, with the added ability to measure those strange forces in even greater detail. It is these new spacecraft that will take over where Voyager 1 will leave off, pushing deeper into the unknown and possibly unlocking even more mysteries of the cosmos. It could be that some scientists theorize this mystery force may link to quantum mechanics, which is the science that governs the actions of the smallest particles in the universe. What if Voyager 1 is tracing an effect of quantum on a huge scale? This might hold the missing link between quantum mechanics and general relativity, two theories which do not fit together at the moment. The discovery made by Voyager 1 is forcing us, in other terms, to rewrite the textbooks about what we understand of the universe. Although it's billions of miles away from home, it is not even near over. The universe is full of surprises, and so does Voyager 1 show that the greatest adventure has just begun. What do you think that might be in the form of the unexplained force? You can leave your ideas in the comments, and do not forget to like and subscribe to more out-of-this-world discoveries. With Voyager 1, the discovery brings us one step closer to knowing the secrets of interstellar space. While more ambitious missions are being planned, the continuing spaceship inspires insights that remain extremely vital. Its longevity stands as testimony to long-term missions, proof that older technology can pay off big. From humble beginnings, the voyage to explore the outermost planets has now become one of the most monumental space missions ever. The continued encounter of new information by Voyager 1 about the secrets of the cosmos fuels further research in the field and inspires new explorers. Of course, the timing couldn't have been more opportune for what Voyager 1 has discovered. At such a time when space travel enters an exciting new phase with plans to send humans not only to Mars but beyond, how important it is to understand interstellar space. This is the energy that, if confirmed, might shape how we design future spacecraft and plan missions to distant stars. Space travel may mean navigating through some unknown forces, and Voyager 1's findings may get us prepared for it. One possibility the scientists are considering is that Voyager the first of may have discovered signs of dark energy. Dark energy is the form of mysterious energy which is supposedly speeding up the expansion of the universe. For long, the functions of dark energy have remained a mystery to the scientific world. If Voyager 1 has really provided evidence for dark energy, it would be a discovery of monumental proportions. Alternatively, this could be new, entirely a force or phenomenon we have never considered. The confirmation of this finding can change it all about space. We may have to rewrite the basics about fundamental forces much as how quantum mechanics transformed physics in the 20th century. It is a discovery that could further breakthroughs not only in space explorations but also in new propulsion technologies and even new ways of tapping energy for life here on Earth and beyond. The scientific community has gone abuzz, and now researchers are beginning to dive in deep to learn just what Voyager 1 has found. Could this be a local kind of phenomenon, or is it universal? There's even speculation this energy could be linked to the creation of stars, planets, or black holes, adding just another layer of intrigue. The discovery by Voyager 1 brings us one step closer to understanding the secrets of interstellar space. While we're making our roadmaps for missions of higher ambition, the spaceship keeps paying its dividend in valuable information. Long-lived, it underlines the worth of long-term missions. Older technology can also yield breakthrough discoveries. What began as a voyage to explore the outer planets has turned into one of the most extraordinary space missions thus far. Voyager 1 remains at the edge, continuing a quest to enhance human knowledge by unveiling the deepest mysteries of the universe and inspiring a new cadre of explorers. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.